Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Milo, say hi. Today is my last day at my home and I'm going to my own house. Well, there's a difference between home and a house, I guess, because the place that I'm going to, I have to build my home there. Wow. ज़्यादा डीप नहीं, डेप्थ में नहीं चला गया पूरा. I am moving my life at the age of 29 and I'm not even on the top of my game right now. Like literally, last year to this year, I have become 2 times the weight that I was. I've been a fitness enthusiast over the last 2 years in general, but right now it's been like good 4-5 months. I lost my track, I lost my balance. I think it is going to take me like 2 months to kind of get back to my peak. What is it? Do you want to get inside the bag? But you can't. You know, as usual, girls like me, we are taught to be good girls, and the time that I would be leaving from my parents' home would be the time when I would be married, right? That is what I was also preached and taught, and that's exactly what I learned, and that's exactly what my life plan was. Started working when I was like 19, so by the time I was like 24, 25, I was already ready to settle down. I had my savings in place, whatever I could make, but life was not ready. I have patkoed my sir a lot in my personal life aspect, and I've gotten this close also, but even when I get this close, something happens. You sleep, everything is perfect, and then you wake up the next day and things have gone to shit, and it's like life is constantly telling you this is not your time. I'm supposed to enjoy the things that I have, and that is what I'm going to do right now. I know there's gonna be challenges, I suppose. I have never lived alone. I don't know how to cook, and I trust anything and everything. You could be a candle, and if you have lit up in a way which I'm feeling like I resonate, I'm gonna trust you. I'm gonna trust that candle. I've never actually ever like jharu pochad my place. Like, it's been miraculous. Okay, we have house help in the house. You know what? I have definitely been ungrateful about that, because now when I will have to go and do it by myself, then I will realize that, oh shit, yeah. It was moving day. Mom and dad came to drop me to the airport. All of us were teary-eyed. Of course, I didn't record any of that. I've traveled a lot, but I've always gone back to Guwahati, to my home. But this time, it was not traveling, it was shifting. So yeah, the goodbye was heavy and emotional, but because maybe I took this right step for myself, God does not let me stay sad too long. I met my childhood friend Zina at the airport. We were in the same flight, and then we just kept chatting. I guess I would have cried at the airport if I did not come across her. And finally, I reached Mumbai at 8. Instantly, Mumbai greeted me with the incredible humidity. What the hell, man? I came from a great weather, so this was difficult to adjust with. My voice is still cracked. You can hear it. Good morning, you guys. What is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Parso raat ko, I entered this house. While I was entering, I met the owner downstairs, and she was still leaving. So I could not shoot anything because she had a dog. She was doing the chores around. So I did not want to kind of make her uncomfortable. As a dog owner, I understand when your dog that lives in your home, you get adjusted to their, smell. If they have peed somewhere, you don't feel it. But for someone who has entered the house, especially for someone who's going to live in the house, unko thoda sa, that stench they feel, which I felt. So it was really difficult. This house needs a deep cleaning, like a very deep cleaning. And I also spotted the dog's pee here, so then I put some Dettol on top of the pee, but there's pee there. I don't want to be a shallow person. I have a dog. We'll fix this. Like the floors were feeling a little sticky. Then I ordered some food, and I already had some cough, and then the food just wasn't going in. I took a lot of deep breaths, thought about Milo, that if it was my dog, then it would all be fine, right? So I mean, I get a pet parent's state of mind. I understand. यहाँ पे घुसते ही I ordered Urban Company next morning, and then they came in. Yesterday, whole day, this house was clean. See, what do I have for breakfast? मैंने डोसा order करा था भाई. I forgot while ordering dosa. मेरे पास कटोरा नहीं. कटोरा लेने की बहुत ज़रूरत है. ये देखो पूरा का पूरा खाली है. यहाँ पे तो कुछ है नहीं. क्या करूँ? I think I need to. पहली बात तो कटोरा खरीदना पड़ेगा अभी मुझे. आज कहीं से कटोरा, ग्लास, फॉर्क, स्पून, फ्राइंग पैन, और व्हाट एल्स. यहाँ पे साइड में मैं एक छेद कर लूँगी, ठीक है. उसके बाद आई विल. So I'm ordering a few things right now. ये one thing I was thinking is, what do you call a, अरे इसका नाम क्या होता है जिससे ऐसा स्पून, बड़ा स्पून जिससे फ्राइंग पैन में ऑमलेट को उल्टा कर सकते हैं, उसका नाम क्या था यार? बिग स्पून लिख के देखते, कुकिंग बिग स्पून, कुछ तो समझ जाएगा ब्लिंकेट। स्पून, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। पैन स्पून, ये वाला प्लेन टर्नर। पर ये वाला सा थोड़ा अच्छा वाला नहीं मिलेगा क्या? ओह, देयर इज अ सेट ऑफ 3, थिंक आई शुड गेट दीज वंस। Yep, just crop this up till here. This looks luxurious, but you know what? I am in my balcony. This is a curtain, and I don't even. And I'm trying to figure out space. Where do I get a nice photo of this? And guess what? Here is where I get a nice photo. My bedroom. आके मैंने Blinkit से वहाँ पे एक चादर and all this I put. Just to lift my mood, I did it yellow for now. I'm gonna change that later on. I'm gonna change the structure of this room in general. I got that. वो मैं अपने स्टूडियो से उठा के लाई because I needed that for whatever reason. That's who I am, I guess. I don't know. And this part will be my content part. I'm gonna change this space. Mirror here. I'm planning to put my makeup brushes and everything here. This chair will go. This part needs to be painted. Now I haven't done anything. And मेरे boxes नहीं आए हैं. I have 4 boxes I sent via packers and movers. They are yet to come. That is the drawing room. I'm gonna show it to you some other time. I have some clothes and I have some groceries there. I have ordered anda and rice. And I have a script to make. तो अभी मैं खाते खाते ये script बनाने वाली हूँ. खत्म किया मैंने काम वाम. अब मैं निकल रही हूँ. कभी भी मेरे फ़ोन में कभी भी सही चार्ज नहीं रहता फ़ोन में, और मैं कैसे, मेरे को गाना सुन के जाना है. दिस इज़ सो रॉन्ग. व्हाई इज़ दिस ऑलवेज द केस विथ मी? वाह, वन गुड थिंग अबाउट लाइक ये वाली लाइटिंग इज दैट द लाइटिंग इज नॉट बैड. यू नो, आई कैन एक्चुअली लाइक सी माई सेल्फ प्रीटी वेल. You know, I kind of like my house, you know, I do. It's a nice home. The previous owner, I see she loved whimsical stuff. Oh my god, one thing I've realized is that, dude, there's a lot of expenses. Like, बहुत expense हो रहा है मेरा, बहुत. But that's fine, I guess that settle down होने के लिए उतना expense करना पड़ेगा. And plus, right now, I'm actually on the way to probably sign up for my makeup class. बस एक चीज़ है कि मैंने ना घर फ़ोन नहीं किया है आज. Because today it kind of hit. I felt sad. I missed Milo. I missed my parents. I don't want to talk about it. I start crying. I'm going out. I can't cry. गया यार, गया फिर से कुछ करना पड़ेगा. I need to carry a hanky, but I washed my hanky today. I should buy more handkerchiefs. তো 14 তারিখে পৌঁছাবে, এখনো টাইম আছে. পয়সা কামানোটা শিখলাম আর ব্যাগ দোনা, খালি আমি রান্না বান্না শিখলাম. ও আসছে দেখো. Was actually crazy. My mom called almost instantly. Like I had to put compact so that she couldn't see it. You know, वो पता चल जाता है क्या? I'm getting used to my area and it has everything. I found a supermarket, I found a salon, I found sabji, I found fruits. Why is Bombay giving Bangkok right now? Because I love a Rapido ride without a helmet. I have started to enjoy here, and this is day 2. I guess we'll see what happens. Stay tuned because I'll be posting more of these vlogs. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon right next to it and stay connected with me. Bye.